ngikhathele Nkosi, but I'm still here. I feel like crawling back to bed, pulling the covers over my head, too tired to even explain this heaviness, this quiet pain. Ngizamile ukufona, kodwa kula muntu otholakalayo, wonke umuntu uthwele obakhe, ngakho sengikhuluma lawe phela. And maybe someone out there too is barely making it through. So while I'm holding on to breath, I whisper this little prayer instead. Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka, though my soul feels weak tonight. Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka. Nkulunkulu, meet me where I am. For every tired heart out there, may the Lord you near, even with tears in your eyes. It will be well, it will be alright. It feels like attacks from everywhere, and I'm too tired to even be scared. But somewhere deep beneath this pain, I still believe you know my name. Ngosingipha amandla, ngoba amehlo ami yasinda. But even now I trust in you to carry me the whole way through. To everyone tired like me, may peace find your heart. May God sit beside you tonight and remind you, you are not forgotten. Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka, though my voice is weak tonight. Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka, Ngisa Khuleka. Nkulunkulu, hear my cry. For every weary soul that breaks, may the Lord give you strength again. Even if all you have is one prayer, He will meet you there. Ngikhathele, but Ngisa Khuleka, still praying, still believing.